nice. Oh, got a slight reflection off your bonnet. Oh, yeah.
I can do it as my Have you kitted out your Kingston apartment?
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna show.
Oh, dude. Get some that Boca.
I'm gonna do that.
Alright, so landscape mode here. F1.8, shutter speed 160 and ISO 2000. Oh, look at that bokeh. Hiding behind that person. Oh, no, oh, that's a good, no, out of focus. Oh, nice. Essentially took a picture of that guy's face right through that statue in the middle of it. She'll see what there. I might have to get a little bit closer. What's your focal?
Mine's 70.
70, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Go down to ISO 1000. There's a guy walking over here. You might not be able to see my camera. I might tilt down my thing a bit. Might wait till he gets a little bit closer.
Just some random guy. He was like, hey, take a photo of me. But I didn't get it.
Oh.
I got some good ones of the Canberra Centre on the road there.
Yeah, let's have a look. I'm sure just pretty good. got a nice idea, look at that. Just, yeah, so there, yeah. Alright, so meant to be. Nice.
You guys know where kebab shop is? Oh,
like that sort of road? No, no, so you keep going down, like across, like down this street here, and then you'll see one to your right. Right. Yeah.
I'm trying to track down for the last 20 minutes. My maps are sending me everywhere.
Yeah, yeah. There's a kebab shop just here.
Whoops. Because I know there's one down there. Oh well.
That's right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kim, hey Kim, turn around. Do that pose again. There we are, look at that. Oh, perfect. I'll take a picture of you taking a picture of me.
That's better.
Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, look at that. Yeah, actually, I'll get you to stand underneath the spotlight. Yep, yeah, perfect. Oh. Might get a little bit closer so the lights are blurred out more. Oh, dude. That's sweet. Nice buttery background. Sweet. Just take a step back. Move back this way. Beautiful. It's a telephone booth. Sweet. Alright, so I'm using the 2470 f4.
It's hard getting like a good dead on shot straight.
Yep.
Without it sort of. So check out this bad boy.
No way, that's a...
That's a 70 to 180.
Holy shit, dude, that is fucking
So tiny.
sick. Panning shot. Ooh. What's that? Oh, yeah.
Wait, we get one on the other side.
Civic life. Nice. 60. Just gonna get the guy with this guy blowing smoke in his mouth. Sweet. Oh, That was good.
My wallet before?
No.
This thing. Yeah.
Oh, you got the wallet thingamabob. Yeah, nice. Oh, got a slight reflection off your bonnet.
Ooh.
In-car shooting. Fucking.
Bye-bye.
No, yeah. Take a picture of this light. Look at that. Boom. Might go a little bit higher. Get all the lights. Look at that. Okay. Just a little bit of long exposure. I don't know if you can see that. 5 seconds, f8, ISO 100. Boom. Beautiful. ISO 4000. Oh, my shutter speed. Alrighty, let's hit the frog and toad. His jacket. Ready. You want to take a photo?
You're going home, you piece of shit. Came back in. Sorry, mate.
Oh, good. Thank you. Oh, look at this bin. Is that picture of the bin? I turn my ISO down to 1000, f-stop 1.8 and 1/200 of a second. I'll go back a little bit. Yeah. One portrait. Where are we going? Just keep going straight?
Yeah. The baby's not going to come out with the watercraft.
Fuck yeah. I'm going to get a picture of this. Alright, yeah, nice low shot. Focus on the wheel. Sweet. I'll go low. Go low on this one. I like the lights it gets from this long thing here. I might have to go back a little bit more here. Oh, motorbike, yeah, boy. Oh, dude, you're fucking looking at me.
Oh.
That's awesome.
Okay, I'll come behind me now.
I'm a bad person. Never drink it again.
Yeah. Struggle Town.
Oh, dude, look at that fucking balloon. Down a little farby. Woo. Hop. Oh. Sweet. Woo. Woo. Oh yeah.